Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bleach stain remover is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who values clean and pristine fabrics. Accidents happen, and bleach stains can quickly turn into a source of frustration. But fear not. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of bleach stain removers, exploring the best options to help you tackle those unsightly marks and restore your clothes to their former glory. Number 5. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener. Tired of dingy whites? This product is designed to bring your whites back to life. It's a powerful laundry booster that will make your clothes look their best. This oxygen-based formula whitens whites 40% better than chlorine bleach. It's water-activated and works effectively in every load. You'll notice the difference immediately. Unlike chlorine bleach, this product is color-safe. You don't have to worry about spills or splatters ruining your colored clothes. It's a safe and effective choice for all your laundry needs. You can use it as a pre-soak or add it directly to your washing machine. Simply follow the label directions. It's compatible with both HE and standard washers. This is perfect for t-shirts, sheets, and even shoes. It's a versatile solution for keeping your whites looking bright and clean. Use it on socks, uniforms, and more. What we like? This product is perfect for reviving your whites. It's chlorine-free and safe for colors, so you don't have to worry about damaging your clothes. If you have dingy whites that need a boost, this is the product for you. What people say? The product effectively removes stains. It is designed for various surfaces. The stain removal function is very effective. Number 4. Tide to Go Pen, Instant Stain Remover. This is the Tide to Go Pen, your instant stain remover. It's designed to tackle stains on the go, making it perfect for any situation. It is a convenient solution for removing stains. The pen's powerful solution breaks down stains effectively. The microfiber pad then lifts and absorbs them away. It works quickly and efficiently to remove stains. Its pen-like design makes it easy to carry around. You can keep it in your briefcase, purse, or car. It's always ready when you need it. This pen is designed for easy use. There's no mess, nothing to throw away, and nothing to get on your hands. It is a simple and effective solution. It works great on common stains like tomato juice, ketchup, and coffee. It can also handle wine, tea, and chocolate syrup. It is a versatile stain remover. The Tide to Go pen doesn't contain bleach, so it's safe for many fabrics. It is a gentle yet effective stain remover. What we like? This pen is designed for on-the-go stain removal. Its compact size fits easily in your bag or pocket, making it ideal for quick fixes. If you're prone to spills and stains while you're out and about, you'll find this pen incredibly useful. What people say? They really take care of most stains, and it's so fast and works amazing. It gets enough out that you won't need to be embarrassed and rush home after spilling something on yourself, but it needs a night and a wash for it to work completely. As soon as someone spills something on themselves, I'm out with the Tide pen immediately. It certainly does what it says on the tin. I have not yet come across a stain that it won't remove. Number 3. Grandma's Secret Spot Remover, 3-pack. This stain remover is tough on stains but gentle on your clothes. The formula is free of harsh chemicals, so it won't damage the fabric or fade the colors. You can use it on your most precious garments without worry. This instant stain remover is designed for various stains. It's effective on old stains and those that have already been through the wash. The concentrated formula has no bleach and leaves a fresh citrus scent. It tackles a wide range of stains, from blood and food to grease and oil. The formula works in all water temperatures, making it convenient for any laundry situation. This product is a versatile solution for your stain removal needs. Dealing with baby stains can be a challenge, but this product makes it easier. It effectively removes stains from diaper leaks to baby food messes. This will help keep your baby's clothes clean. Using this spot remover is simple. Apply it to the stain, agitate, and blot. The stains will disappear quickly. It's a quick and easy way to keep your clothes looking their best. What we like? This stain remover is tough on stains but gentle on your clothes. It's free of harsh chemicals and safe for all fabrics, including delicates. If you are looking for a product that effectively removes stains without damaging your clothes, this is the one. What people say. It took off most grass stains, all the dirt stains and all the little scuff marks you get on the white part of your shoe took all of them off. Grandma's got out the entire stain, not even a ring that you often have with blood stains. Even cleaned in the wrinkles of my cuff. I use it on every type of stain on many different fabrics. It takes out grass stains on sneakers too. Number 2. OxiClean Versatile Stain Remover Powder, 7.22 pounds. Introducing OxiClean Versatile Stain Remover Powder. This powerful powder is designed to tackle even the toughest stains. It's your secret weapon for a cleaner home and brighter clothes. With over 101 uses, this product is a versatile solution for your cleaning needs. It works wonders on laundry and around the house, making your cleaning routine easier than ever. This oxygen-powered formula is activated by water, lifting away dirt and grime. It's effective on a variety of items, from t-shirts to workout gear, ensuring everything gets a thorough clean. Use it as a pre-soak or add it to your wash for an extra boost. Simply follow the label directions to get your clothes exceptionally clean. It works great with your regular detergent. It's not just for clothes. Mix it with water to create a cleaning solution for your kitchen, bathroom, furniture, and floors. It's safe for nearly any hard or soft surface. This color-safe, chlorine-free formula is gentle on your fabrics. It effectively fights stains on white, colored, and dark fabrics, while being safe for your septic tank. What we like. This product is not just for laundry, it can be used all around your home. It's safe for various surfaces and fabrics, making it a versatile cleaning solution. If you like a product that can handle multiple cleaning tasks, you should consider this. What people say. It removed stains that other products couldn't. This product is amazing and works great on multiple surfaces. It works great on white clothes. Number 1. Emergency Stain Rescue Stain Remover Spray, 4 ounces. Are you tired of stubborn stains ruining your day? This product is designed to quickly lift stains from various surfaces. It's perfect for those unexpected spills and messes. This stain remover works incredibly fast. It's designed to tackle stains on rugs, carpets, and upholstery. You'll see results in no time. With safety in mind, this product is EPA Safer Choice certified. It's tough on stains but gentle on your clothes and the environment. You can use it with confidence. From wine and coffee to mud and pet messes, this cleaner handles it all. It's ideal for high-traffic areas and those accident-prone zones in your home. Simply spray, blot, and wash as usual. Keep a bottle handy for those "oh no" moments. It's the perfect solution for immediate action. What we like. This spray offers quick and effective stain removal. It's certified by the EPA Safer Choice program, meaning it's safer for you and the environment. If you need a fast-acting stain remover for unexpected messes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This gets out everything. Black frosting from cake. Stains that already went through the dryer. Found a shirt totally stained in the dryer that my spouse washed. I sprayed it and threw it in the wash and the stains are gone. This stain remover has officially earned a permanent spot in my laundry routine. It works incredibly well on a wide range of stains: food, grass, baby spit up, coffee, even mystery marks I didn't think would come out. I just spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and toss the item in the wash. Most of the time, the stain disappears completely in one go. I tried this on the bottom 1/2 inch of a heavy linen curtain panel that got dirty from wind, dirt, rain slightly coming into our sliding glass deck door before we added a hold back for it. Sprayed on, waited a couple minutes, rubbed off with a white cotton cloth, gone. It also worked on my jeans, old canvas bin, and floor grout. When a bottle of red lip stain fell and broke, splattering everywhere. The light beige storage bin was splattered all over the front and it took 2 times spraying and all the red stain was gone. Same with grout in my jeans that looked like they'd been in a bloody accident are fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.